Today I'm sharing a treasure-level head massage technique. Hurry and save it. Alright, first step. Press on this point. Make 30 clockwise circles. Make 30 counterclockwise circles. Good. Second technique. Turn your hand over, press on this spot. Apply pressure as you sink down. "30 circles clockwise. Then move in this direction. Alright, ease up the pressure. Move in this direction. Do 3 sets back and forth. Now the second action is very important. At this point, use your fingers. Knead with your thumbs 30 times. Pay close attention to this detail. Alright, this is crucial. Push in this direction. Push in this direction. "30 times from top to bottom. Both sides are the same. After reaching this position, knead this spot 30 times. After finishing 30 times, repeat it. Push down from this direction. This is a treasure-level, exclusive head massage technique. If you find it helpful, feel free to leave a comment. Alright, 30 times from top to bottom to this spot, 30 times. Now this step is very key. Place your thumbs on this spot. Alright, do this. This is a technique everyone usually knows. Watch me do it. Do about 30 times. After that, find the exact center of your head. Press on this spot. Move in this direction with both thumbs. Slide upwards to this area. Good. Slide up 10 times. Alright, slide up from this direction. Just like this, slide 10 times. After finishing, move from both sides to this area. We just worked on 4 spots in the front. Now we're focusing on this area. Move from both sides. Do it to the sides 10 times. This can relieve migraines and boost immunity. From here, push down. Then support this area of the head. Once supported, push down from this direction. Rub with your palm down to this spot. Alright, from this direction, rub down. To this spot, do it 10 times, each time starting from this area and going down. How comfortable is it? Only those who do it will know.